The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Dancehall Skilla. Now there's a bit of something going on between DANII BOO, which is known as a well-known Jamaican dancer, and a man that she said is a promoter, right? She says that he's a promoter scamming her, or she's calling him a fake promoter. But however, there's a situation between the two of them, you know. So I am going to play a few little things to let you understand what's going on, because DANII BOO said that she has been robbed by this man, which is known as iRONMAN, right? So I'm going to play a video of DANII BOO explaining her situation with him, and then I'm going to play an audio of the man that is called iRONMAN explaining his situation, and then I'm going to play a last video of iRONMAN saying something else pertaining to DANII BOO and this whole situation. Alright, so right about now I'm going to play DANII BOO and let you hear what she have to say. Observe.
Good day, excuse me. Tired eyes and my swell up face. But yeah, this is a situation where my bin did for talk about. I am home now, made it from Canada safe. Big up all of the promoter them. Big up Maroon Entertainment and Melissa. Big up the promoter them for Drift. Big up the promoter for Bread and Butter Thursday. Big up the promoter for Fresh Cash Friday. But me I talk about the situation you know. I don't know if you don't know. A so-called promoter goes by the name of iRONMAN. When you can look for him right now, ironman_g.sound on Instagram. Look for him. iRONMAN flat out plain and straight robbed me. He took deposit from a promoter, the promoter for Fresh Cash Friday to be exact. He took deposit and said it's supposed to go to me, and I did not get that money. I did not get that money. Another thing, I was in Canada and my phone mash up, and iRONMAN said no a phone man, and him carry me go around the road to a phone man, and me not get back my phone, me not get back my S8. Them give me 1.7 for go and use, and it mash up. It's not a good phone. This is not my quality kind of phone. This me not use this. I've never used this kind of phone. Sorry. So them iRONMAN robbed me of my phone, and him robbed me of my $300. So people, I'm just making this video for you guys, yard and abroad, know about the iRONMAN Perseer and know say he's not a real promoter and don't fuck with him. Yeah, I call iRONMAN 20 million times. Listen to me, I call iRONMAN every day. Some different situation that behind this, when I don't really understand neither, or when I don't need to talk about now, but I just make uno know say, iRONMAN robbed me, Daniel Bogle, of my phone and my $300 Canadian dollar, and I need it. Well, me I left it to time. Yeah? Me I left it to time. Time of the master iRONMAN. I'm now while yo. iRONMAN is a scammer. He's a scammer, user, scabby user, a thief. And that me say he's a thief, iRONMAN. I'm not stop saying iRONMAN is a thief. I don't care how much people want to give you glory, how much people want to big up your name. He's a thief and he's a scabby. And that DANII BOO say. Yeah, I'm a very upset. You know, everybody will support DANII BOO always over here. So no say DANII BOO not do this. DANII BOO not argue, DANII BOO not cuss, you know, back and forth, you know, in a no kind of drama and mix up. And he's a so-called promoter feel like he want to rob me. Me? When the things say me and iRONMAN did good. Me. Yeah, go sorry, iRONMAN. I just make uno on my Instagram know and on social media know. Say, iRONMAN is a thief, okay? He's a scabby boy, he's a thief. Thank you.
Alright, so there you have it. That's DANII BOO explaining her situation, where she said that she has been robbed or scammed, or, you know, either way, it is something that she said that is wrong. Now I'm going to play the audio of iRONMAN explaining his situation right in this whole thing. You know what I'm saying to you? So please observe.
Alright, first of all, because you see, me I gotta say thank you for the promotion too. Yeah, thank you for the promotion too. People, let me explain myself, because in every story there's two sides. Though me look about them visa for them. When me call DANII BOO them, and them alone me want book. So if anywhere me go wrong, wanna tell me go wrong. After me book them and draft up my contract and come to an agreement, them call me back and tell me say them owe other promoters dates because from they were up here the last time, the promoter them did ask them. Me said to them, say, okay, that's fine. Get the promoter them to pay for whatever they want because the show that I'm keeping is not fixated around the DANII BOO. There's Cherise, there's Queen Latisha, there's Shamara. You understand what I'm saying? So even if DANII BOO come and do our other little show them, me don't mind that because me about we bus 2 new person will never get a bus in a Canada yet. I saw me a look on it. Alright. After them come to a conclusion and say, alright, these are the events that are gonna be done. Visa come in a book. Then post the other 2 parties and didn't post mine. That's okay. I got mad. I said, alright, whatever. You not style me still take my styling. Though, me make the promoter them do what them want to do. Pay for them ticket, fly on in, do whatever you want to do. Me sending a message and say, dog, me I run up and down for uno post other party and don't post mine. Uno show up for the party and post it and tag it as sending off party. So me say, alright, sending off party, another styling again. After that now we kept a meeting. After the meeting, what happened? After the meeting done, you said to me, say, iRONMAN, I go to water party, my phone now work. My phone now work. I say, alright, my sister, give me your phone. Me have a phone link. Me I go down there, make them fix the phone for you and give you a new one so you can go and use while you're there. Remember, you know, me never have to do this, you know. I do this on my own. Alright. After me do that now, me exchange the phone. She get a phone for go and use. The man get the phone, he might repair, work on it. After the man pulled the phone, him realized the DANII BOO phone, where she thinks a new, was previously pulled before. Alright. When the man opened the phone now, him realized that our motherboard gone. So for her S8, she got a temporary S7 to use to fix her S8. When the man opened her S8, the motherboard gone. Alright, conclusion right there. So remember the man was going to fix it for free. Okay? That's that. Phone issue right there, so done. They want me to do the run up and down for them. Go back, go exchange back the phone for them while I have my things to deal with. And true, me never do that. Me are the thief. Alright. Secondly, the party where we get fresh cash Fridays. Did you know how the flyer made? When those guys called me to do the flyer and everything, I gave them a price. I made the flyer, even printed it. Me have evidence for showing them. I print poster and flyer. Who pay for that? Ask who pay for that. So when you not talk about $300, brother, when you get to the facts straight, tell the promoter we book on for pay on $300. And stop calling up my name.
Alright, so there you have it. iRONMAN saying what he has to say pertaining to the situation between him and DANII BOO, and I only hope that can give you a little more understanding as to what both are saying. You know, I leave these 2 things for you, the viewers and subscribers, to decide who is telling the truth or who is what from what. You know, you don't know. That's how the thing is. Now I'm going to play a final video footage of iRONMAN saying something else. He is saying that he will not post any more videos pertaining to this situation between him and DANII BOO because he says that people look up to him, right? Here I am going to play the video of iRONMAN saying what he wants to say pertaining to the situation. Please observe.
So this is my last video. I'm not making no more. I care zero. So true, I have a lot of people who look up to me. I have to listen to what they say. So to all the people that look out to me and reached out to me, I'm sorry. You guys see me have to do something like this because all of my years, you guys know me. I don't do this. I don't give a shit. If you want to talk bad about me, that's on you. See me and say something to me is a whole different thing. But talk behind my back, I don't care. You get me? So yeah, I leave that over there. But yeah, why would I take a phone from you, DANII BOO? You know that. Last time you were here with Cuban, who was running around the fucking city for you? Me. Me and only me. You show up all of the people them show half an hour before the show done and take the people them full payment, right? Deposit. When the show done, the people them give you and shot you. Me take it out of my pocket and pay you so that you guys could have a comfort and happiness while being here. Why would I take a phone from you? Think about that. Why?
Okay, so there you have it. Everything that has been said and done between both persons, you know what I'm saying to you, I should say. And I only hope that this will give you a little better understanding what's going on, because this little situation right now is on social media between the two, where they are saying different stories or something, you know what I'm saying. DANII BOO said that she had been robbed by this man that is known as iRONMAN, and iRONMAN is saying something different towards the story, explaining himself, you know what I'm saying to you. And you don't know me, DancehallSkilla, I'm gonna bring to you what hot on social media, keep it up to date and post it, giving it to you as it is, nothing added, nothing taken from it, only to let you understand what is what. Alright, and you don't know, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is DancehallSkilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? DancehallSkilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching DancehallSkilla Entertainment.